Hey folks, I'm going to review and test out this 5-day Coleman Xtreme cooler. This cooler is 150 quarts and it's supposed to hold 223 cans. And what I'm going to test is the 5-day deal. See if it stores ice up to 5 days at 90 degrees temperature outside. Here's the cooler. I'll show y'all. It's got cup holders in it. It's got large handles, and this cooler does not come with the dividers or the shelf. I built that myself once I bought it. I bought that cooler at Walmart for, I think it was $70 and some tax, and I built this shelf and divider system out of wire shelving that you can get at pretty much any hardware store. As you can see, it does have spaces for the dividers, but it does not come with dividers once again. It's very spacious. Let me get my tape measure and I'll show you how much room is in here. Got about 16 inches that way. That's inside measurement. And this long ways we have about 38.5 inches. And the depth of it is about 15, well, zoom in there, it's about 15 inches depth. So it's a pretty doggone big cooler. The lid is about 4 inches thick, and the walls are about 2 inches thick. All right, it's gray or beige kind of looking, and green. It's a nice big cooler created by Coleman, and it's got a drain hole on this side. And supposedly you are able to drain this without tipping it up on its side or, you know, putting it at an angle. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bunch of ice in it right now. And we're going to document the temperature inside of it and outside of it for the next 5 days. Right here on Lunatic's channel. Okay, what we've got is we've got 12 half-gallon bottles of whiskey in here, which are filled with water that are frozen. So that means there are 6 gallons of frozen water in here, okay? It's 80 degrees outside. This is 80 degrees inside when we start. So let's put a thermometer in there. Let's close it on day 1 at 80 degrees. We'll come back tomorrow. Well, we'll come back a little bit later this afternoon once the heat goes up, because it's morning time and it's kind of cool out here. But we'll come back this afternoon and document this again. All right, folks, this is the same day that I started this test. It's 80 degrees outside. It's lunchtime. It's starting to rain. And the reason I'm documenting this is because I want to also test this cooler to make sure no rain can get in it. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what the temperature is. Inside, 40 degrees. 40 degrees. All right. There's no water in the bottom of the cooler, and it's starting to rain. Let's just test to see, make sure no rain gets in it.
Hey folks, I throw this in there just to show you kind of what the temperatures are going to be day and night throughout the period of time throughout this test. Today is Monday on the starting date.
All right, this is the beginning of day 2. It's about 78 degrees out here this morning so far. It's rained all night. Got a little bit of water right there around the door. And it's below 30 degrees. It's at regular refrigerator temperature. and we're getting a little bit of meltage in the ice, but still cold. Okay, this is day 3, and there's the temperature. It's about 79 degrees outside. Inside is 38 degrees. Still got plenty of ice in there. Be back tomorrow. Hey, sorry folks. I probably forgot to do this earlier. Let me wipe the lens off. Hang on. This is the end of day 4. And the temperature out here is, oh shit. Temperature out here is, right now it's a little bit over 80. And temperature inside is 60. Maybe this is day 5. I think I forgot yesterday. But yeah, this is day 5. I forgot to do yesterday. This is the end of the 5th day, and it's 60 degrees inside the cooler. I did forget yesterday, and I apologize that.